In 1954, the first time a nuclear submarine ever reached the lower depths. It awakened something.
Were those nuclear bomb tests in the 50s? Not tests.
They were trying to kill it. Him, an ancient alpha predator. Godzilla.
Top of a primordial ecosystem. A god, for all intents and purposes.
Monster.
This alpha predator, George Duncan. Do you really think it has a chance?
The arrogance of man is thinking nature is in our control. Nature has an order, a power to restore balance. I believe he is the power.